Today, let's talk about something crucial for your family's future life insurance. It can seem complicated, but once you know the basics, it's simple. Life insurance is about protecting your loved ones, making sure they're secure no matter what happens. The first step is understanding the types of coverage: accidental death and natural death. They sound similar, but they're as different as salt and sugar. Knowing the difference helps you choose the right protection for your family. Think of this as packing for a journey. You need the right coverage for your life's path. By learning the basics, you're preparing for the unexpected, giving your loved ones peace of mind. We'll break it down step by step so you can make confident decisions. When we're done, you'll be able to look at a policy and know exactly what it means. Let's get started and make life insurance simple together. Ready? Let's begin. Accidental death coverage pays out only if you die from a covered accident, something sudden and unexpected, not caused by illness. It's often a standalone policy or an add-on to regular life insurance. For example, if you die in a car crash or from a fall, this policy pays your family, but it won't cover deaths from illness, undisclosed risky hobbies, or self-inflicted harm. The rules are strict. Only true accidents are covered. Because these events are rare, accidental death policies are usually cheaper. They're a specific safety net for a specific risk. For young, healthy people, it can be an affordable way to get some protection. But remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle, not full coverage. Let's see how it compares to natural death coverage. Natural death coverage is what most people think of as life insurance. It pays out if you die from illness, disease, or old age, anything not caused by a specific accident. This is the foundation of most life insurance plans. For example, if someone passes away from cancer or simply old age, this policy pays the benefit. It covers almost every cause of death except for a few exclusions like crime or undisclosed risky activities. Because it covers more, it's more expensive than accidental death coverage, but it provides a much broader safety net for your family. Now let's compare the two side by side. Here's the main difference. Accidental death covers only specific accidents. Natural death covers almost everything else. Accidental death is narrow and cheaper, often with no medical exam. Natural death coverage is comprehensive, usually requiring a health check and higher premiums. Accidental death claims require strict proof of an accident. Natural death claims are more straightforward. Sometimes you can add accidental death as a rider to a standard policy. This is called AD&D. If you die in a covered accident, your family could get both payouts. This is double indemnity. Think of accidental death as a specialist and natural death as your main doctor. They can work together for extra protection. The key is knowing what each covers and how they fit your needs. Choose based on your life, health, and budget. Let's talk about which coverage might fit you best. Here's how to decide which is right for you. For most, a standard life insurance policy covering natural death is the foundation. It protects against the most likely risks, illness, and age. Accidental death coverage can be a budget-friendly start for young people or those who can't qualify for standard policies. It's a specific tool, not a replacement for full coverage. Many people combine both a standard policy plus an accidental death rider for extra protection. The best choice depends on your age, health, budget, and family needs. Don't be afraid to ask questions or talk to a financial professional. Remember, a standard policy is your all-weather coat. Accidental death is your umbrella for sudden storms. Sometimes having both makes sense. protect your loved ones. Start planning today.